We're in Star Wars land. Oh my gosh. We're lined up to go out, you guys. We are lined up to go into Star Wars land. And look! Oh my gosh.
All the way through Millennium Falcon. We're here right now.
Oh my gosh.
Sign me up. Give me an MP3 toy maker.
You guys, they keep inching us closer and closer in to Star Wars land. This is some of the merch. Look at the helmets, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look how big and massive. We're in the Resistance side. This is crazy. Do you hear the sounds? To say that it's immersive, I would be to downplay it. This is bananas. We're in. Woo!
I saw it got brought to the back. Jeez.
We are in, everybody. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. And everyone's freaking out. And it's amazing because we're all freaking out together. Oh my god. Thank you. Rising moons to you as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Rising moons to you as well.
Thank you. Rising moons, folks.
Look, we're being greeted by everyone as we come in. Rising moons to you.
Rising moons, travelers, rising moons. Make sure you spend those credits wisely.
Oh my gosh. We're in. We're in. We're in Star Wars land. Oh my gosh. Chewie. Hey Chewbacca! We love you! Oh my gosh! We're in! Oh my gosh! Excuse me, where's the cantina?
Straight down.
Straight
On
down?
your right hand side.
Oh, I can't believe I'm here! You guys, we're in Star Wars land! Look! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This place is so huge. Oh my gosh. Will you look? Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Look at this. Look. Oh my god. I cannot believe the size and the scale. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. We're in Batu, you guys. We are in Batu. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you guys. I am standing in front of the Millennium Falcon. Do you see how big and magnificent this thing is? I am freaking crying because I just cannot believe how amazing this place is. Will you look at Batu? This is everything. I've never seen something so beautiful. Look at what's behind me. Look at that. The Millennium Falcon is behind me. Do you see it? It's behind me. What? You guys, I am freaking out. To say that this place is immersive doesn't give it justice. You are not in Disneyland anymore. Disneyland is gone. You are in Star Wars land.
For you guys? Oh, wow.
I'm so happy. It's so beautiful. It is amazing in here. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do because it's so incredible. Look at this. Isn't she a beaut? We are at the grand opening of Star Wars Land at night. At night. I am here from 8 to 12, and will you take a look at this? Oh my gosh. We are at Black Spire Outpost. Oh my gosh. All around are secret and hidden messages that you can use on the Disney Play app to decode what things mean. These people right here are doing it. They're hidden all over the park. You can find out secret language, what things mean, and there's supposed to be mini Easter eggs all over this place. Oh, and that's where we're going next, the cantina. It is popping in there. I just can't get over this sight of the Millennium Falcon. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We are in the cantina. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Will you look at this place? It is so incredible. Okay, sorry. You guys, it's like little bars. Oh my God. Look at Rex. Rex is jamming. Oh my gosh. Woo!
You are wanted, but just not wanted. Here's the next song.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. We're in the cantina, you guys. Woo! This is so cool. Oh my. Yeah. Batu bits, dehydrated snack mix stuff.
Let's have it.
Looks good. Looks interesting.
Outer rim.
Yeah.
Yum nub.
Look at our drinks, you guys. Oh, what's the bubbling one? What is the bubbling one?
That's okay. That might not be the one for you.
I might have to buy one of these eventually.
Here is
Light.
This one's starting to build up. This is
The T16 Skyhopper. So amazing.
Wow.
Kiwi, melon liqueur.
There's a lot going on.
Look at that. And vodka too. So good. So good. I want to introduce you guys to somebody. This guy's name is Alex. You guys, he's helping me celebrate my engagement, and he bought me this mug. And I didn't tell him I was going to do this, but I just had to because I received mixed feelings about my engagement because I am gay. someone that I just meet today do that, like, almost brings me to tears. Like, I'm serious. So, you're a great human. This is my new friend. Like, this is Alex. He's so awesome. Like, you guys, you gotta meet him. I don't know. Thank you, Alex. We just left the cantina. Now, I know that it was very loud, and you probably didn't hear anything I said, but I had the most incredible time. The drinks were amazing. The Batu bits were so good, and now I'm outside and still in front of the Millennium Falcon with my best bud, Max. I mean, you just cannot ask for anything better. So I'm just trying blue milk with my best buddies here. Blue milk. Alex, Mr. Cheesy Pop. RJ, let's do it, you guys.
That's good. Stop.
Hey, RJ, where's the
What?
Millennium Falcon?
Ah, right here.
Oh yeah, perfect.
It's right there. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. It's so good. It's like sweet, but not too sweet. I love it. I love blue milk. It's fruity, but not fruity. I can't describe it. You just gotta try it. Fireworks in front of the Millennium Falcon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! We just ate at Ronto Roasters, where they are roasting meat. Look at that. Oh my God. The robot is literally roasting meat. And this is where you come and eat it. You come and get it. The Ronto wraps. They've got breakfast and lunch ones. They are so tasty. They are amazing. Ronto wraps, y'all. Gotta do it. You guys, there is a droid roasting this meat. I am at Ronto Roasters, and look how massive and huge this place is. It's a droid roasting meat. You come right out of here and you are straight into the marketplace. Oh my gosh. Look at the marketplace. It's just filled with several shops where you can buy plushes, mugs, all types of things. There's the popcorn. Look, it's the popcorn station where you can buy the popcorn. Look at this. Look. It smells good. You know we're gonna have to try that, but we're gonna try it later when we come back. But look at the marketplace. You can buy the clothes, you guys. You can buy the Jedi. You can buy the robes. Oh my gosh. What do you think, Alex? This is so, I want them all too. I want all of the robes. Oh my gosh, look at this place. This is so incredible. You can buy the robes here, you guys. Wow, this is amazing. Each little marketplace showcases a different item that you could buy. They have replicas of the Millennium Falcon, of Kylo Ren's ship. They have hats, all types of merchandise everywhere you look. There is literally something to look at wherever you go. Wherever you go. Something to look at wherever you go. Look at this. That's Ronto Roasters. We just left there and had amazing food. What's over here? The ships? Oh my gosh. Look. 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 Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at that shot. Look at that shot. That's the money shot right there. Oh my gosh. We are going into what I believe is the droid shop, where you can make a droid. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Rising Moons?
Rising Moons. Oh. So this is where you make a droid.
There's no line. There's no line.
This is where you make a droid, you guys. And there's literally no line. I think Max is gonna make a droid. Oh my gosh. So $25,000, you can get your own R2-D2. Wow. So, for all the ballers out there with the money, yeah, get you one. So, the Droid Depot has some incredible R2 merchandise. Look at these kitchen towels. They're all droids, you guys. They even have a bowl, a mixing bowl. I would eat cereal out of that, I'm gonna be honest with you. An apron. Look at all of that. Wow. This is incredible. We are in the Droid Depot. They've got shirts, signs, backpacks, everything that your little droid loving heart could want or desire is in the Droid Depot. And you know what? You can even build your own droid. Now, it doesn't cost $25,000 like it is to buy the replica of the R2, but it does cost $120 plus tax to build your droid, which is what these people are doing now, building their droid. Now, I know my buddy Max is somewhere around here building a droid, so I can't wait to see what his looks like. We are in the Den of Antiquities. Look at this place. Oh my gosh. You can get and create your lightsaber here. Oh my God. Do those guys look familiar? This is incredible. Look at that, you guys. There's just way too much to see. What is going on over here? Look at this. There's an alien trapped. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Just look, y'all. I'm not even talking right now. Just look. There are so many. You can buy the pre-made lightsabers. Wow. This is incredible. I love that picture of Luke. Okay guys, it's really crowded in here, but this place is incredible. You can buy all type of Star Wars merchandise, including Princess Leia in the back. If you can see her gown, her hair, you can buy all of these dark side and light side. It's just all incredible. First Order. I mean, it's amazing. But we gotta get out of here, it's too crowded. Okay, here we go. I'm about to get on the Millennium Falcon. Oh my gosh. Look. It's time.
You ready to go on the Falcon?
I'm ready to go on it.
Yeah, you should go first.
Oh my gosh. I love it. You guys, this is the queue. We're here. We're getting on the Millennium Falcon. Look, oh my gosh. We can go behind it? We're going behind it. First off, look at how immersive this queue is. Oh, shut up. Look. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh, there's all kind of noises. We're behind it. Cool.
Yeah, it's a great experience. And
Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Look. What's... Oh my gosh.
Dar, this is Malta. Pick up the car. Dar, here, go ahead. Dar, why hasn't the cargo been loaded onto the freighter in Hangar 15?
Oh, hold on 1 second. Trying to decide between Glee, Ansel, and Spira.
What?
Why did you play vacation days and I can't decide where to go?
Dar, we don't get vacation days.
Of course we do. I always wanted to check out Canto Bight. Maybe win myself a few credits.
Dar, there is no way that Hondo is going to give us vacation days.
Oh, I think he has to.
Okay, listen. Onaka Transport Solutions is about one thing, making Hondo money. How does he make money if you're betting on fathers, huh?
Well, I'm pretty sure vacation days are part of the employment package.
Where do you think you work? The only way you get time off is if you're fired.
Ah, see? There it is. I told you there was a way.
Look at this. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look. Look at that. Look at that. I'm sorry, people behind us. I'm going. I was not prepared for that. The top of the Millennium Falcon. Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
Don't put your phone away.
Oh my God. Where are we? We're in a little like closed off area. This is incredible.
So at nighttime, all the lighters lit up.
Oh yeah, they were looking so
In the
good.
daytime, it doesn't light up. Are you guys ahead of us or behind us?
I want this picture.
Look, they released September blockout dates.
Shut the front door. Shut up. Shut up. Can I just hop on the outside of that and fly through the galaxy? Look at that. You guys. Oh my goodness. This is the top of the Millennium Falcon. We literally had a 360 view, front and bottom, of the Millennium Falcon. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Incredible.
Now you'll
my god. Oh my god.
Unfortunate technical difficulty.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Anyway.
Oh my god.
Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
One of the engines blew up.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here.
Oh my god.
Yes, yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. 25 minus your 10% off of 25.
Alright, so you guys put it on.
Oh my god.
Yes, what is it?
Oh my gosh, we're about to fly the Millennium Falcon. You guys, this is really happening. This is not a drill. This is not a joke. We are about to fly the Millennium Falcon. We are about to walk on it. You guys, you know how you get on the airport? It feels like that. Like you're boarding something. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm walking into the Millennium Falcon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. I'm in the hallway of the Millennium Falcon. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm in the Millennium Falcon. Oh. 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 Oh, she did it. Oh my gosh. You guys, the chess table. Max, the chess table is right over there.
I know, we gotta get over there. We'll take a picture of it.
This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. We are in the Millennium Falcon. Guess who's a pilot? This guy.
All right, I'll go ahead and grab your credentials. Thank you very much.
We're the pilots. Max is the engineer.
I'm a gunner.
He's a gunner.
I haven't done gunner yet, so I'm psyched.
I am so excited, but I am so freaked out.
Someone shoots at us, shoot at them.
Grandma.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxial. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I just want to say I'm going to try my best, everybody, in advance. I'm going to try my best. Oh my gosh.
Did you see that?
What did I miss?
That's the where you climb up and down to the gun. Yeah, that's
Shut up.
I didn't see that this morning.
Is there anything else in? Okay, that's really cool though.
That's so cool. Here we go. We're about to fly. I'm the pilot. I'm so freaked out. I'm not gonna record this. Just wanted to let you guys know. Pray for me. I hope I do good. Bye. We did good.
Good.
We did good. Do I press this?
Yeah.
Okay, I pressed it.
Oh, wait,
Okay.
wait, my friends.
What?
I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
What?
All right, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted galaxy. Whoa, looks like we are ready to unload.
Bring it back in one piece.
Okay. I just got off the Millennium Falcon. I was a pilot. I did so good. We got like 8,000 something credits. It was so much fun. It's like the world's best video game, but it feels so real. It was amazing. Today has been absolutely incredible. I can't think of a day that I've come to the parks and had more fun than today. Big shout out to Mr. Cheesy Pop. Big shout out to Alex, you guys. Today was probably one of the top 10 best days of my life. Star Wars Land is incredible. It's not just a land or a park, but Batu and Galaxy's Edge is an experience, and you have to experience this place. So as we say here in Batu, rising moons.